Okay, I've started Premiere Pro. I'm going to be starting a new project, and I'm just going to call it Jets. The purpose of this activity is to teach you how to integrate video transitions between different video clips. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go in Import. I'm going to find my folder number 6. Your folder number 6 will be on the text server, and I'm just going to highlight the 4 video clips and the music, and I'm going to import them into the project panel. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take, since you can see that these are all purple, they do not have a soundtrack. The green is the soundtrack. So I'm going to take and drag Jet Fighters over to the timeline. Then I'm going to grab Jet Fighters 1. Okay, I'm just going to make this a little shorter. Then Jet Fighters 2. Remember, if there's a space, you right click in it and ripple delete. And then the last one, Jet Fighters End, and ripple delete. At this point, you have different clips about jet fighters. Now, at this point, if you go up to the place where the clips change, it's just a quick hard cut. It doesn't transition, it just cuts from one clip to another. Okay? What we're going to be doing is that we're going to be adding transitions between each of those clips. Now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go up to the right where it says Video Transitions. Click. I'm going to start with Page Peel. Now, there's going to be lots of different transitions, but I'm going to just select maybe 1 or 2 or 3 of these different transitions. I'm going to do a page turn. I'm going to click on that, bring it down, and drop it between the first 2 clips. Now, the error message just means is that the clips are short. It's not going to. We'll do some repeating of frames to make the transition, but it's not a big deal for what we're doing. Okay. I'm now going to take my mouse and click right on that transition. You can see, I'm going to make this a little bigger. You can see the transition right here. I'm going to click on that and then go to Effect Control. You're going to see that you can change the duration. Watch what happens. I'm going to go up to that transition and I'm going to play. See how it looked like a page turn? That is one of the transitions. By working with your video clips up here, you can increase the point that the transition affects your video clips if you wish. Also, duration. Let's say you want to change your duration or make it quicker. I'm going to reduce the amount of time for the duration, and you're going to see that it goes much quicker. Okay, so you can change the amount of time for each of the durations. Now, at this point, I'm going to go back. We've put one transition in. I'm going to go now to the slide. I'm going to go to push, click on push, hold the mouse button down, and put it between those 2. And at this point, a push transition looks like this. It looks like one image pushes the other one out of the way. Again, you can change the duration if you want to. You can make it very quick if you want to. I'm just going to make it, I'm going to take it down to maybe just very quick. Wasn't that quick, but you can change the duration up here to increase or decrease the amount of time that the transition takes place. Now, so I've done transition there. I'm going to go to wipe for our last transition. I'm just going to do a pinwheel and drop between there. And the pinwheel looks like so. Okay, so that's how your built-in video transitions work. Now, after you get done with the video transitions, what I want you to do then is you should put in 3 different video transitions in your project. Then drag your sound over. What I'd like you to do with the sound is just bring it down to the end of the clip, and that would be fine. The whole point of this lesson is to learn how to do transitions. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the beginning and play it. Okay, at this point we're coming up to the first transition. Second transition. Third transition. Now, one of the things that we've done before that I'd like you to do is that I'd like you to put a fade out for the last video and a fade out for the audio. Okay, I'm going to click on the video, opacity, and I'm going to go right up to the end, make the opacity, click on the button for 100, and then go to the end of the video and take it down to 0. That will give my video fade out. Now, I'm going to go and click on the audio. I'm now going to go to volume, level, and I'm going to go just a little bit near the end. Click on it for the start of the audio fade out, and then go down to the end with 0. And at this point now, if I go back to the video, at the very end, the audio and the video should fade out. Okay, so that's what I would like you to do. I'd like you to combine the 4 segments, put a video transition between 3 of the segments, and then put a fade out on the end of the last video segment and on the audio.